Okay, so let's draw NASA logo. You know how to draw NASA logo, Param? I don't know.
Yes, let's try how to make a NASA logo. It's like this, and it has blue color in it.
Okay.
Like this. It's going to take a while to color this.
It is okay. So this is a blue background.
And there a red color thing like this, and NASA.
Oh wow.
And there are stars like something like this. Yes,
Oh good.
I forgot one thing like this or something.
This is nice. You tried well.
Yeah, now you have to draw the Google logo.
How is Google logo?
I think it's just Google written in different colors.
Let's see.
Yeah. Oh, the colors.
Color different.
Yeah. Now I have to draw the Android logo. It's like a robot, like this, and he has feet like this, like this, like this, and I forgot this. Now you have to draw the Spotify logo.
I don't know the Spotify.
Do you use
But I see
Spotify? Oh.
Okay. So this was a nice fun at neil.fun. And anything else you want to share, Param, in this website?
Let's go back and let's see. Do you want to do spend Bill Gates all money?
What do you mean by that?
Like Bill Gates is the second most rich person in the world right now. So let's
Okay.
spend all of his money.
And how can we do that?
There is this exercise or a game in which we have to spend $99 billion.
Okay.
So it's a lot because $1 is 71 rupees.
Oh my god. So how are we going to do that? You can show us.
Okay, so let's start
It
with
looks
you.
fun.
Yeah. How many Big Mac burgers do you want if you have $99 billion?
Okay, let's suppose we have 100 people with us right now. So we bring Mac for everybody.
Okay, so let's say 100, or maybe some people want 2, so let's do 120.
Okay.
Now it minus and we only spend $160. Now let's do the same amount of coffee,
Okay, so let's give coffee to also everybody.
and for the return gift let's give everybody 2 books,
Okay.
and let's buy 50 video games,
Yeah.
51. And how much do you want to donate to the charity?
As much as you can give it.
Let's give it 66,000. Still, it didn't make a big difference. Now, how many shoes we buy? 5? 5 pairs?
5.
Yeah, let's buy 6. And how many skateboards?
Skateboards. I don't know how to skateboard, so you can buy 2 skateboards.
Okay. And how many smartphones?
So let's give one smartphone to all the our viewers. So buy 200 smartphones.
1,000.
Okay, so 1000 likes we will have in this video and we will be giving smartphone to them.
And how many gaming consoles?
Gaming console again 1000.
Okay. 1,600. How many cycles or bikes?
You like bicycle, Param?
Yes.
How many you want to buy?
Let's buy 6.
Let's buy 600.
Okay. And still we didn't even spend 1 billion, and we have to spend 90 billion.
Yeah, so that's why I'm asking.
How many drones? Let's buy 50. And let's buy 500 bags. 6 jet skis. And
And I want
8 TVs.
Okay, and 5 diamond rings.
Okay.
How much money you spent till now?
We have spent
Not much.
not much. We have to calculate it. I think it's $110,000.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, $110 million. How many Rolex watches do you want?
4.
Okay, 4 Rolex. And let's buy 3 speedboats. And
Okay.
let's buy 5 Tesla cars.
5 Tesla car for $350,000.
Yeah, and let's buy 3 helicopters.
Okay.
Let's buy 500 Ferraris and 500 Lamborghinis.
Okay.
And let's buy 9 fire trucks and 250 townhouses. So still we didn't even spend $1 billion. Now let's buy 1,000 bars of gold, 10,000 bars of gold. Now we made a difference, just a little bit though. How many beach houses do you want?
Okay, so let's buy 100 beach houses.
Okay. So are you going to live in each beach house every day?
Yes, for 100 days.
Yeah.
And let's buy 200 fighter planes for India and 200 yachts for India.
Okay, 200 fighter planes and 200 yachts. And how many skyscrapers?
400.
400. Oh wait, I think 400. Yeah, 400 skyscrapers. How many mansions? Let's buy 365 for each day. A new mansion each day. And let's buy 50 rockets, 7 private jets. We can only buy 1 Mona Lisa. Now we have 36 billion left. Let's buy a basketball team. Let's buy a lot of basketball teams, like 30. Oh, we can only buy 20. Oh no, we don't have that much money left. So let's buy 1 more private jet, 1 more private jet, and let's buy
And
more.
now you're finally burning your money, yeah?
Yes, let's buy more
Pizza
bars of
shop,
gold.
buy 1 pizza shop.
Okay, let's buy 1 pizza shop and let's buy more cars. Still we have $5,000 left.
Let's buy 5 purse.
Let's buy more phones. Yeah, now 420 left. Now 1 more skateboard, 1 more charity,
And done.
and 1 more book. And 2 more Big Mac burgers.
So you are left with $1.
Yeah,
So
so
how much you spent? 19.
$9 billion.
You spent, and what did you buy?
Let's see.
Your
Let's
shopping
start.
list.
Yeah, 27 NBA teams, basketball teams, 1 Mona Lisa painting, 14 private jets, 50 rockets, 365 mansions for each day of the year, 400 skyscrapers, 200 planes, 200 yachts, 101 beach houses, 10,004 bars of gold, 1 pizza shop, 250 townhouses, 9 fire truck, 501 Lamborghini, 500 Ferrari, 3 helicopters, 5 Teslas, 3 speedboats, 4 Rolex, 5 diamond rings, 8 4K TVs, 6 jet skis, 500 designer handbag, 50 drones, 600 bikes, 1,600 gaming consoles, 1,068 smartphones, 3
That's
skateboards,
enough.
and 66,667 charity.
Oh wow. So this is fun. You can go back and decide
What to buy?
what to buy. Okay, and again, I would like to show you one more thing in this website. That is the checklist you have for your life. So there are around 66 items which you have to tick. Like you are born, you have taken first step, you have said first words. To tick all those things which you have covered till now, so you will come to know what is your life remaining about and what all you should do in the life. So thank you for Param for showing this website to us. We have 2-3 more features. You people can explore yourself. The name of the site is neil.fun. Just go and enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.